Did you know that the number of extreme wildfires has been growing in the last few decades? This trend is aggravated by global climate change, alterations in fire regimes, and fuel accumulation. Extreme wildfire events often surpass the ability of current response systems, putting lives, property, and nature at risk. In this context, understanding the effects and severity of wildfires is crucial for effective suppression, for improved prevention, as well as for post-fire management and restoration. Surprisingly, there are gaps in the availability of standardized, validated, and publicly available data on wildfire severity. To tackle this challenge, scientists from the University of Porto and the Polytechnic Institute of Viana do Castelo joined forces with the Severus PT project to assist the wildfire community in assessing burned area severity. Severus PT will harness the power of Earth observation satellites from NASA and the European Space Agency to assess and characterize wildfire severity on different aspects of ecosystem functioning related to carbon, water, and energy balance. The project aims to evaluate, map, and predict wildfire severity, and it is currently under development for mainland Portugal. The project encompasses 5 connected tasks. Task 1 aims to co-design wildfire severity products and services. Task 2 will collect satellite and field data for validation. Task 3 will develop pipelines to map historical severity. Task 4 will model and predict potential wildfire severity. And finally, Task 5 will automate products and provide data services. In the first task, the Severus PT team will engage with the community, academia, institutions, and the private sector through surveys and dedicated workshops to co-design Severus PT products and services and support their use cases. In the second task of the project, experts will collect data on wildfire severity in the field, from soil to trees, to validate satellite maps. In the third task, the Severus PT team will use satellite imagery to develop analytical pipelines to map and assess historical wildfire severity, taking into account the community's needs and requirements. Task 4 will build upon previous work to develop models capable of predicting potential fire severity. These models will combine ancillary datasets and satellite imagery on landscape attributes, weather, terrain, vegetation, with observed severity from past wildfires to train AI machine learning algorithm. The aim is to provide spatial predictions of potential wildfire severity, supporting risk assessment and prevention. Finally, Task 5 will ensure that all project outcomes are publicly available and accessible through web-based services and apps. This task will also ensure the automated and continuous provision of severity products once new satellite images are released. Severus PT is a collaborative effort, and its outputs will benefit the community in different ways by supporting preventive fire risk management, post-fire monitoring, and restoration. This is Severus PT. Follow us on social media and our website.